Sovereign in the farthest ring, where the silent blue tides of the gravity swing. Farthest ice giant with the trident of light, turning the vacuum to an ocean of night. Turning the vacuum to an ocean of night. 2,000 kilometers, the winds start to blow, a turquoise stain hard in a nitrogen glow. As your abyss in a storm-ridden dance, caught in the currents of a frozen trance. Neptune rising, the trident we hold, in the deep blue light and the vacuum cold. In the deep blue light and the vacuum cold. Methane absorption in a velvet mask, a celestial beauty for a cosmic